Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best dolls are probably one of the most cherished toys for young girls, offering endless opportunities for imaginative play, storytelling, and nurturing development, making them a staple in toy boxes everywhere and a constant source of joy and learning for children as they grow and explore their world through pretend scenarios. Number 5. Naturally Kids Toddler Unicorn Backpack. Introducing the Naturally Kids Toddler Unicorn Backpack, a magical companion for your little one. It comes with adorable unicorn toys, making it a perfect gift. Looking for a birthday gift for a 2 or 3-year-old girl? This backpack is an excellent choice, complete with a charming unicorn stuffed animal. It features padded, adjustable straps and a sturdy zipper for comfortable wear. The size is perfect for little adventurers, measuring 10 by 8 by 3 inches. The removable unicorn toy can be detached for playtime anywhere. It's ideal for keeping your child entertained during travel and outdoor adventures. Crafted with excellent quality materials, it ensures safety and durability for active kids. It's a wonderful choice for unicorn lovers of all ages. Whether it's for Christmas, New Year, or a birthday, this backpack with its unicorn toy is a fantastic present for toddlers who adore unicorns. What we like? This backpack comes with a delightful surprise unicorn toy, perfect for young adventurers. If you're looking for a gift that combines practicality with a touch of magic for a 2 to 4-year-old, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for toddlers who love unicorns and need a small bag for their essentials on the go. What people say. Fits toya and diapers with wipes plus extra clothes. Easy to use. Color just as picture shows. Great texture. The ability to swap the unicorn in and out is so fun. And it's so cute. Backpack is very soft and padded on the outside, which I was a pleasant surprise. They even added a cute thank you note. One of my favorite parts is being able to take off the wheel part. Number 4. FUNZBO 520 Plus Snap Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Introducing the FUNZBO Snap Pop Beads, the ultimate jewelry making kit designed for kids aged 3 to 8. It's perfect for keeping your little ones entertained while they create their own unique accessories. These pop beads make jewelry creation a breeze, as they snap together without the need for strings. Your child can easily connect the beads to form bracelets, necklaces, and rings, fostering their inner designer. More than just a toy, this kit helps develop fine motor skills, color recognition, and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun way to enhance tactile senses and spark creativity through various textures and bright colors. Assembling and disassembling the beads strengthens hand and finger muscles, improving flexibility and coordination. They are designed to be easily handled by children aged 3 to 8, preventing frustration. Packaged in a convenient storage case with a carrying handle, this kit is gift-ready for any occasion. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and more, offering hours of creative fun for girls aged 3 to 8. What we like? This kit offers over 520 snap pop beads for endless jewelry creation. If your child enjoys hands-on crafting and wants to design their own unique accessories without the hassle of string, this is the perfect toy. It's great for developing creativity and fine motor skills in children aged 4 to 8. What people say. It's the perfect way to keep little hands busy while letting their creativity shine. They love making bracelets, necklaces, and rings, and it's easy for them to snap the beads together on their own. This kit is a good value. It comes with a big variety of beads in all shapes and colors, and so far it has been the most loved Christmas toy. I'd say it makes a great gift for kids aged 4 to 6. Endless hours of fun and creating beautiful jewelry. These are amazing for building dexterity, focus, and confidence while also providing fun for quiet alone time or shared time. This set can also provide a variety of opportunities for learning that are both fun and needed: counting, pattern recognition, etc. Number 3. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and Christmas. It's made with safe, eco-friendly materials and features a 2.0 LCD screen, making it a great first camera. This kid's video camera captures moments in crisp detail. It records up to 1080p video and offers an 8x digital zoom, ensuring clear, wonderful memories for your boys and girls. This upgraded camera does more than just take pictures and videos. It includes fun puzzle games, some with motion control, and offers 28 scene selections for photos. You can easily download and share their creations. It features a built-in rechargeable battery providing hours of fun, and a 32 GB SD card is included. Simply turn it on to start capturing memories. Remember, charging should be done by an adult. Weighing only 100 g and with a compact size, this camera is easy for kids to carry. It comes with a lanyard so they can wear it around their neck and capture the world around them. Let your child explore the fun of nature and unleash their creativity. This camera is designed to be their perfect companion for capturing adventures. What we like. This upgraded kids camera captures clear HD video and photos, even supporting selfie mode. If you want to encourage your child's budding interest in photography and videography, this is a fantastic option. It's suitable for ages 3 to 8 and includes fun games, making it a great companion for capturing memories. What people say. It's tiny enough and light enough for her to carry around and it not bother her at 5 years old. It's super easy for her to use on her own. The photo and video quality are pretty good for a kid's camera, and the simple buttons make it easy for her to use on her own. She also enjoys the built-in games, which keep her entertained when we are on the go. It has photo, video, games. My 4-year-old is obsessed with it, which results in the cutest photos. It even has a selfie camera. The protective cover works so well. The battery life is great and it has auto shut off because no toddler is going to shut it off independently. Number 2. GILI Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Get ready for hours of DIY fun with this amazing jewelry making kit. It's designed for easy snapping and pulling apart, making crafting a breeze for little hands. The simple snap design allows girls to effortlessly connect the beads and then take them apart. This makes creating and recreating jewelry designs incredibly easy and enjoyable. This isn't just fun, it's a great educational toy too. It helps develop fine motor skills and eye-hand coordination, while also nurturing creativity and imagination. With this set, girls can let their imagination run wild. They can create a variety of beautiful crafts like necklaces, bracelets, rings, and even ornaments for the Christmas tree. Looking for the best gift? This kit is perfect for Christmas or birthdays, offering endless creative play for kids aged 4 to 8. It's a top choice for fostering artistic expression. This generous 500-piece set provides ample beads for countless jewelry creations. Let your child explore different combinations and bring their unique visions to life. What we like. With 500 easy-to-snap beads, this kit provides hours of DIY fun for creating necklaces, bracelets, and more. If your little one loves arts and crafts and enjoys making their own wearable art, this is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for fostering creativity and hand-eye coordination in girls aged 4 to 8. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The colors are vibrant and engaging, which really captured my child's attention. It's a versatile toy that can be used for both indoor and outdoor play. Number 1. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover a world of imagination with over 520 colorful snap beads. This set includes various shapes, sizes, and designs, plus 2 bonus hairbands, all neatly organized in a charming pink box. It's everything she needs to create endless fun. Looking for a gift that inspires? This jewelry making kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, helping to boost her creative thinking and hands-on skills. She can design and craft any piece of jewelry she can dream up. Designed for ages 3 to 8 and up, this toy is incredibly easy to use. The beads connect simply by snapping them together, eliminating the need for any threads. It's perfect for little hands to explore and create. Building beautiful jewelry is a breeze with these snap beads. They easily connect for endless designs and just as easily pull apart, making it simple for toddlers to enjoy and remake their creations again and again. Crafted from high-quality plastic that meets international standards, this toy ensures safe and enjoyable play. It's a wonderful present for birthdays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any special occasion, providing hours of creative entertainment. What we like. This jewelry making kit includes 520 pop beads in various shapes and sizes, plus extra hairbands for even more creative possibilities. If you're searching for a gift that encourages imaginative play and hands-on crafting for girls aged 3 to 7, this set is ideal. It's perfect for making unique necklaces, bracelets, and rings. What people say. The carrying case is also good quality and has held up for many uses over the past 5 months. This is a nice jewelry making kit. My granddaughter, 2 weeks shy of her 5th birthday, was able to make the bracelets and rings on her own. Many ways to design, hours of fun, and a cute case to store everything. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.